Almost every time an important discovery is made, there is not just one person involved. Progress in science usually happens when scientists share their knowledge and work together, allowing advances to be made. That is the reason why I couldn't talk about one person who deserves a Nobel Prize, but three people who collaborated with each other instead. All of them involved in the development of a molecular tool that will allow a leap in genetic engineering, unconceivable until now, making possible to edit or correct the genome of any cell. All starts with the Spanish microbiologist Francis Mojica, who was studying the sequence of DNA of Halophorax mediterraneae, a prokaryotic microorganism which inhabits Santa Pola's salt floods in Alicante. He realized there were some sequences which were repeated at a regular distance from each other. Later on, he found out that these repeated sequences were more than that, and determined they constitute a primitive system of acquired immunity against virus that was passed on from one bacterium to another. He named his discovery CRISPR, which accounts for clustered regularly into space short palindromic repeats, and it served as an inspiration for Emmanuel Carpentier and Jennifer Doudna, two biologists whose investigation will give rise to a biotechnological revolution, having developed a genomic editing tool that allows to rewrite the genome and correct defective genes with an extremely high level of precision and in a very economic way. This new technology, called CRISPR-Cas9, is based on the previously mentioned structure of repeated sequences of DNA, which works as a guide to lead the enzyme Cas9 to the specific region of the DNA in order to section it. The technique not only cuts the DNA with very high precision, but also allows researchers to introduce new sequences before the natural mechanisms of DNA repair take place. Due to all the possible applications this system presents, I consider all three of them should receive the Nobel Prize in Medicine. CRISPR-Cas9 offers a large range of possibilities in this field and brings hope to all scientists trying to find treatment to a long list of diseases, such as several types of cancer and even AIDS. Certainly, their contribution is a technology in process of improvement, but there is no doubt it has caused a revolution in the field of molecular biology, and it will be the solution for a lot of genetic defects. From a personal point of view, what makes them even more worthy of the award is not the discovery itself, but their attitude towards science. Because of their careers, you can say they were curious, passionate about their work, and willing to offer the world something that might actually help people. In addition to these qualities, I would like to highlight the spirit of collaboration between these scientists, who leave competitiveness aside for the greater good, and the visibility that giving the Nobel Prize to more women, since only 12 have won the Nobel in Medicine, will grant them in the field of science.